Hey everybody, so check out this pollinator fountain. Really works. It's a solar powered pump. And we are at the Redondo Beach Community Garden. So they've got a whole bunch of boxes here for the community to plant in. And then we actually have a lot of the community is planting all native plants. The entire hillside is just natives. And we're setting up benches, so it's really cool, really happening. Redondo Beach Community Garden. Gonna have the grand opening this coming Wednesday. So really cool, but it's really special because it's the only community garden I know of that actually has a ton of native plants for the pollinators and then solar powered fountain. So cool. And what makes it solar powered is the fact that on the top rim it doesn't come off, it's not wetting the whole rim, only half of it, so that it's actually allowing room for the pollinators to sit down. So there it is, just like magic. Okay, thanks for joining. Take care.